At extend lets one real selector inherit another's full rule, merging them together in the real compiled CSS output. In this video you'll share styles between two genuine button variants. This real base rule defines genuine shared styling for any kind of message box. At extend genuinely merges .message's real selector into .message success's compiled CSS, not just copying its declarations. At extend genuinely merges one selector's compiled rule into another's. Shared declarations end up written once in the real compiled CSS output. This differs from a mixin, which copies declarations into each rule that includes it. Find two real similar classes in your project and share their base styles with at extend. Ready to build a real, extend-only base style that's never used alone.